We stand at a fascinating juncture in human history. The one constant, it seems, is change itself. From the technological revolutions that reshape our daily lives to the shifts in our global landscape, we are perpetually navigating transitions. And in this dynamic environment, the ability to embrace change isn't just a desirable trait, it's an essential skill for survival and, more importantly, for thriving. Think about it. How often do we resist change? We cling to the familiar, the comfortable, even when deep down we know it might be holding us back. We fear the unknown, the disruption to our routines, the potential for failure. This is a natural human tendency, of course. But what if we reframed our perspective? What if, instead of seeing change as a threat, we viewed it as an invitation? An invitation to grow, to learn, to discover new strengths we never knew we possessed. Navigating transitions can be challenging, undoubtedly. There will be moments of uncertainty, perhaps even frustration, but these are precisely the moments where our resilience is forged. It's in the adapting that we discover our true ingenuity. When the old maps no longer serve us, we have the incredible opportunity to draw new ones, to explore uncharted territories within ourselves and in the world around us. And let me tell you, it's in these new situations that the most exciting opportunities lie. When we step out of our comfort zones, we open ourselves up to fresh perspectives, innovative ideas, and unexpected connections. A new role, a new project, a new team, even a new challenge in our personal lives. Each presents a blank canvas upon which we can paint a brighter future. So, how do we cultivate this embrace of change? First, be open-minded. Let go of preconceived notions. Approach new situations with curiosity rather than judgment. Ask questions, listen actively, and be willing to consider different ways of doing things. Second, be adaptable. Think of yourself as a tree in the wind. You can either resist and break, or you can sway with the gusts, bending but not breaking. This means being flexible, willing to learn new skills, and adjusting your strategies as circumstances evolve. Third, be a learner. Every change, every transition offers a valuable lesson. Embrace the learning curve. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are often our greatest teachers. Seek out new knowledge, expand your horizons, and remain a perpetual student of life. And finally, seek the opportunities. In every new situation, no matter how daunting it may seem, there are hidden gems waiting to be unearthed. Look for the silver lining, the chance to innovate, the avenue for growth. Be proactive in identifying and seizing these opportunities. Remember, the world is constantly evolving, and so must we. Embracing change isn't about passively letting things happen to us. It's about actively engaging with the present moment, leveraging our resilience, and discovering the boundless potential that lies within each new dawn. Let us all commit to being navigators of transition, masters of adaptation, and relentless seekers of opportunity. For in doing so, we don't just survive change, we thrive because of it, building a future that is more dynamic, more fulfilling, and more exciting than we could ever imagine. Thank you.